It's very important to look after your animal's teeth, whether it's a cat or a dog. There's a few simple tips I can give you about that. So it's not normal for you to look in your animal's mouth, but I'm going to encourage you to do it on a regular basis. And have a look. I can use myself, or I can show you later with one of my own pets. But basically you need to lift up and have a really good look all the way to the back. And what you might notice is what we call tartar, and that's stuff that builds up. It looks a bit yellowy on the teeth. And also the gums, it's important to notice what colour the gums are, because if they're dark red, that's gingivitis, and that's not a good thing. That can lead to teeth loss. So a few things is to get your dog or cat, if you get them very young, it's a good idea to get them used to you being around their mouth and touching their mouth, having a good look so they're not fearful of that. And then in terms of diet, always give your dog or cat something chewy. So don't always feed them on a soft food. Wet foods are great, but you have to do in combination with dry food so that they're doing a bit of work to clean their teeth. Remember that in the wild, cats and dogs were chewing up carcasses, so that was naturally keeping their teeth clean. You have to put something in their diet that reflects that for them. So whether it be, I'm not going to say eat bones because I don't advocate that. I don't think it's a good idea. But anything, there's so many things on the market now that you can give to dogs and cats that are digestible easily and give their teeth a really solid workout. So go and have a look, choose something that's appropriate for your dog. Cats are very fussy, it might be hard to find something they like, but persist and you will find something, and then give them that thing a couple of times a week, every week, and you'll be fine. Checking the teeth, first you have a look at the incisors. So just lift the lip there, have a look at them at the front there. Canines, very important, top and bottom. And then all the way back, you've actually, a bit more effort involved in this, is pulling that lip right back and having a look at those upper molars and premolars up here, because they're generally the ones that might cause a problem. So again, just looking for tartar, build up, actual plaque sits on it, it's yellow and revolting and usually very smelly. That's another thing, if your dog has bad breath, that's usually a sign that there's something that needs to be addressed. And look at the gum line, make sure it's not red. So most cats don't like having their mouths looked at, but it's a good idea to get them used to from a young age, just poking about in the mouth, okay? Again, you don't need to open the jaw, you just lift the lips and have a good look. They've got a lovely set of canines that are nice and obvious, so have a look on those. And if you see any bits of yellow tartar, or if they've got bad breath, there's usually a problem. Keep an eye on the gum line. If that's red, then that's a problem as well. Take him to your vet and get them to check it out. But routine for you is a great way to keep an eye on it.